Hey folks, it's Finn.
Morning folks, happy Sunday. Oh my goodness, it always goes around so quick and gets to Sunday. Don't feel like I've done a huge amount this year just because it's been so hot. It's been so difficult to actually walk and get anywhere. So this morning, before the sun really comes out, I'm just going to take a little wander through the site, and then it's Kylie this afternoon, which is so exciting. Can't wait for that. I say this every year, but it remains true. Glastonbury Festival is so much more than just the stages that you see on TV. Glastonbury is all the little nooks and crannies, little festivals, mini festivals within festivals, little areas like Shangri-La. It's the art, the politics, the movement. That is the heart of Glastonbury, and that's what you can find in spades here in Shangri-La, which is always a reflection of what's going on in our society. So the art, the imagery that you see going on is a reflection of like what we're actually going through at the moment with problems with the climate, the way we are as human beings, our mass consumption and all of that. And that is what Glastonbury is all about. It's raising awareness. Yes, the musical is wonderful, but Glastonbury has always been much more than a festival. It is a movement, a force of change and a force of somewhere to come and think a little bit differently and leave here changed.
There's a click in my brain as I try not to count it.
But nothing's gonna hurt me with my eyes shut. I can see through them, I can see through them. And I am drawing pictures activating.
But what I wanted to say to you guys is the only reason that I'm even able to be up here talking about my gay self is because of all the people that have come before me that fought for the rights of lesbian, gay, bisexual and transgender people. If we respect fully compassionate, we can show up for each other. No matter who we are, we can support each other and we can listen. And if we want the world to be a kind and safer place, we have to take the lessons that history teaches us and learn from each other, because the fight is not over. And I believe that when people believe in something, they come together, then change can happen and anything is possible. So thank you so much. Let's get on with our show.
Glastonbury, you guys ready? Alright, let's go.
Okay, bring a funkier jam. Okay, that will do. Something's missing though. Do you know what's missing? We miss a snare. About precisely not fitting in, and I sang that song with you, and it was already wonderful. And we are going to do it all over again. And the song is called Tilted. Comme par hasard, toujours les forts dans les foires, et une creepy son comme étendard qui passe. I'm doing my face with magic marker. I'm in my right place. Don't be a dumber. I'm doing my face with magic marker.
This is always the hard bit for me. Last bit of music and last wander about, and my feet are killing and I suffer with fear of missing out, so I just want to keep walking and taking in everything because I don't want to go home. There's only so much these little feet will do, so I'm having a walk through the woods. I showed you this area last year, but it's grown massively since then, so I'm just going to have a little wander because it's near the tent. A little wander, then I guess it's time to tuck myself up in my sleeping bag and say goodnight, Glastonbury Festival. Until next time.